Hello everybody! Today I'm going to unbox and review Sega Genesis Flashback from Ad Games. This is 2017 edition, it's not the latest edition, it's the previous one. This one is modded and this one has about 1100 games. It originally comes only with 85, but this one has about 600, close to 600 of Sega Genesis games and also some from two other Sega systems, which I'm going to show you. So the box looks like this. Oh, this shows that it's 2017 edition, not 2018. 2018 is flat black over here. Also the controller is a little bit different. There was only one of them with 3 buttons on 2018 edition. Here we have both of them looking the same way. So this one, this box looks like this over here, like this over there. So we open it. So we have the console. This is the console. We have 2 controllers, micro. Oh, this is not micro USB. Okay. So power adapter and HDMI cord. So we're gonna put the box away. Okay. So we're gonna connect this one. So this is for power. Actually, this is HDMI. So one goes in here, the other one goes in your TV or your monitor. These are 2 wireless controllers. Here you can switch between P1 and P2, player 1, player 2. So let's say this one will be player 1, this one player 2. Most of games are 1-player game anyway, but okay. So on this one, we're gonna connect to this monitor over here. So we're going over here. So if you have several HDMI inputs, you connect into another one. If you have just one, you switch it to that one. Then you choose the source, and it's always different everywhere. So source, and it's like this one. Okay, so I connected it to HDMI 2. I turned it on already. So this one is modded, so it looks, the menu and everything looks different. So this one is player 1, so we can put this away. So this one, go up, and then we see here Sega Genesis games, Game Gear, and Sega Master System. So let's go with first one, Sega Genesis games. Again, this is modded one, so that's why it has a lot more games and menu is different. So this one, I'll go through all the games real quick. Well, yeah, it takes some time to go through like 600 games. A lot of these games were on different systems like NES or SNES. A lot of games came out for different systems. Already at F. A lot of Sonic games. Oof, what the fuck, okay. So if you press it, then it goes through the list very quickly. You can see the progress over here. So we almost went through. Okay, these are the games. So let's try something real quick, and I show you how the saves and everything works. So I don't know. Let's try. I don't know. Robocop 3. Okay. Press A. It starts. Press start. Robocop. Okay, we start. I have to jump. Okay. Okay, so in order to save, you press menu, then you have to save game to slot 1. I press A. It says it is saving, so now for example you want to go away, play another game. So okay, so you went away, you want to play other game, then you came back to play this game again from the save. So you start the game. Now you press A to start the game, then it gives you an option to start new game or load saved slot 1. Okay, so we do save slot 1, and we're again here at the same spot where we ended the previous time. And I died. Okay, alright. So this menu, quit. So this is how you quit the games. And in order to move to other consoles, I believe you have to press reset button. No, you have to turn off and then turn on again. Okay, in order to switch between systems. I reviewed before 2018 edition, and it's very different from this one. The modem is very different. Okay, then so go up, and then we over here, down there, like I'm not sure what these things do, but better not to go over there. But better to just stick between these three consoles, right? Not to choose anything there. It's like something nobody needs. Okay, so Game Gear. Okay, go to Game Gear. Here are the games on Game Gear. We go through them. There's less games. There's probably something 200 something games. Okay, these are all the games. So with these games it's a little bit tricky because it doesn't it's not, the games are not completely full screen. So let's try this game, for example. Let's try Terminator 2. Okay, we don't need menu, resume, start. Okay, so Okay. Acclaim. Terminator 2, I remember it was on NES as well. So we can jump. We can hit someone. So it's not completely full screen, it's from here to here, as you can see. So it's kinda not as good. Okay, so and then the same way you can save game, you can do all that. Okay, and then let's go through the third one. So we turn off, turn back on. By the way, I forgot to mention that batteries are here. You need to unscrew one screw and put two AAA batteries in here. Okay, so and then we go to Sega Master System. Let's go here. And here are the games over here. There's also like 200 something games. Yeah, some games they repeat, yeah, because they were on different Sega systems. So you'll see like some games are the same. Okay, so let's try here. What are we gonna try here? Let's try Jungle Book. Okay, let's try Jungle Book. Jungle Book. This is about Mowgli, I believe. So this one is like from here to here. Okay, so we can go here. Okay, and I can jump over here. Okay, and go over here. I don't know. Okay, I can go here. There's a snake here. Okay. Wow. A monkey killed me. Okay, so this, and then we quit the game. We can play another game, save. Everything works the same way. So this is a Sega Genesis 2017. If you wanna buy one like this, I'll leave a link below. Thank you very much for watching, and subscribe and like this video, please.